Hey there, my name's Luke and I'm a Digital Concierge with Gramophone. Today we have something a little special. We're doing another unboxing, but not just anything. This one's for all the real gamers and headphone enthusiasts out there. The Quantum ONE by JBL, the flagship, the top of the line of JBL's Quantum series. The Quantum ONE is one of the newest entries into JBL's Quantum line of gaming headsets, also the 600 and 800 model. Be sure to check our video out with those as well. But this is the big boy, the flagship and the most feature-rich unit. Really cool thing about the Quantum ONE is that this will be the official headset of 100 Thieves, a competitive esports association based out of LA. They'll be using this at their new training facility and carrying it into their next and upcoming matches. Great testament to what JBL has been able to accomplish with the Quantum ONE, given that it has the backing of a professional team. That being said, let's dive into the Quantum ONE, see what this thing is made of and why it is so unique. So if we take a look at the front here, you can immediately see that this headset has a really sweet look to it that stands apart from its brethren too. We got a whole lot of RGB going on, a little bit different pattern with the whole side of the ear cup lighting up this time rather than the lettering, and also some traces in the side that looks really cool. Headband looks a little bit different. Looks like there's going to be more padding up there. I'm always game for more padding and more comfort. But with the One, the big feature that it talks about right here that sets this apart from just about everything out there is the fact that this has head tracking. So as you turn your head, you will not lose positional accuracy, as the headset will know to modify the sound field based on where you're looking. Guys, that's a huge advantage. The Quantum ONE is marketed as sound is survival, and yeah, that's pretty spot on. Again, just like the 600 and 800, these are Discord and DTS, like the 800s, also high-res certified, so a decent built-in DAC with these, always good to see. Also, this is what we'd call a full-range headset. It's going to work with virtually every product in the market, from PC, Xbox, Switch, your mobile device, plugging in just for music as well. This is going to have active noise canceling just like the 800s to block out the outside world so you can focus in on your game. The microphone looks like it's a little bit different, so we'll take a look at that later. Got some connection options between 3.5mm USB Type A and our lovely and my favorite USB Type C. You know I can never stop talking about that. Again, our active noise canceling, other important features such as the mic, Quantum engine. Here is a little visualization of the sound field, just like on the other models, a little expanded on this one, and a nice picture of the Quantum ONE engine at work. All right, as for the box, let's get in there. Alright guys, here's a little overview of what comes in the box with the JBL Quantum ONE. Obviously you have your headset. This is the mixer for both your game volume and for your voice chat. And you'll notice this is way bigger than the ones that comes with the other models and kind of works as a base station for this headphone, as this headphone is designed to run best off of USB. And there's our lovely USB-C and your USB-A for your computer. Like so, and plug this into your computer, position this in a easy to access part on your desk. Notice it's got the nice foot on the bottom so it stays put. It's really convenient. It doesn't get in the way of your experience, which is huge. And as with the headphones themselves, again, all the cabling is this nice paracord. It feels good, it's strong, it's sturdy, and it's going to last. And it has that great JBL black and orange look. Your detachable microphone, some paperwork including a quick start guide and your user manual, also your very important warranty information. Don't forget to make use of that. In the bags here we have a 3.5mm cable, kind of like you saw on the other Quantum headsets, just to give you that option of running 3.5 if that's what you need. You got that option as well. This cable also features its own volume control dial and microphone mute switch, so it works a little independently as well. If possible, definitely try to run off USB-C when you can for full functionality. This is a active noise cancellation calibration microphone. You place this in your ear, Plug this into the microphone port on the headset, put the headset on, and through the software run a calibration profile, and it will program the ANC to behave especially for your own ear. And to see this incorporated into a gaming headset of all things is just wild. It's awesome. So this mic attaches just using a 3.5 and a little guide pin right there. And I think JBL did this one a little bit differently. One, to make room for the head tracking features, but also just to give you the option to run an external mic a little more easily to get this completely out of the way. Some microphones and some headsets are kind of a pain to get in position. Not so with this one. And I think we can acknowledge that they made the decision to change the mic up on the Quantum One with the professional players in mind, streamers too. And just while we got it off, you can see how that is just made out of that soft material with the little windbreaker on the end. And the connector is a TRRS 3.5. Not too much clamping force, pretty decent space for my ears, and I have big ears, and usually that's a problem for me with headphones, but not with these. I do like that extra bit of padding in the headband. It's a little more comfortable on the corners of your head. I like it. Getting into some of the design aspects of the headphones and some of the other parts here. On the side, where the most important features is all your switches and buttons. You have your microphone mute, your headset volume. This is unique to the One because this has to do with the head tracking. You tap that to reset and recalibrate your head tracking. And then on the top, we have our active noise canceling level. The bottom of the ear cup, you can see where you mount your microphone, works a little bit differently on this one. Your 3.5mm, your wonderful USB-C port. Finish, it's basically like a graphite, as in a charcoal gray, but it has a little bit of shimmer or sparkle to it, like a freshly sharpened pencil. And you've got the cutouts, the sweet design pattern that they do. On the bottom, there is a little bit of extra padding on the Quantum One, which is what I really like. And notice that they've got it at these stress points, giving you some extra comfort for the top of your head. The graphite finish contrasting with this high gloss accent here on the side and the nice chrome plating of the JBL logo. The headband adjustment has some markings to help you figure out your positioning. There's no numbers this time, but there is still markings where you can count the number of bars to get each side even. There is our lovely left and right again. I really like headphones that make that very clear and easy to see. Our ear cups are very, very plush and soft. I can tell you guys that in person, the netting that is inside each ear cup to protect the driver has a very nice sheen. In fact, it's very transparent, but you can see it, but it's got a really cool effect. It's almost kind of like a ghost sheen. Bringing a killer feature set to the table between the headphones themselves, the wonderful Quantum engine, detachable mic, and the fact that it's universally compatible with wide connectivity options, the Quantum Ones by JBL deliver one of the best gaming experiences that you can have for just under $300 and are an absolute turning point in the industry for what we can do with technology and gaming. And that is exactly what we want here at Gramophone, to deliver you the best quality products and at the most reasonable prices. And we've been serving the greater Maryland and Washington, D.C. metro areas for over 44 years. So whether you're an audiophile, a gamer, a tech enthusiast, or you're just interested in watching our videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with all of our new product highlights, interviews, and much, much more. If you have any questions or want to learn any more about the Quantum One by JBL, be sure to give us a call or stop by one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, and Hunt Valley, Maryland. Also, be sure to check us out at Gramophone.com, and if you want to get your own pair of Quantum Ones, head over to our web store at skybygramophone.com or just click the link down below. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and drop a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for all your audio and home theater needs. Also, we want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think of the JBL Quantum Ones, and what do you want to see from us in the future? Let us know down below. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.